Good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday, you guys. It's a brand new day today and ready to make this money, you guys. Welcome to another day in the life of a SparkDriver. It's in the morning, 7 right now. Thing is 7:50ish. So I am waiting for my curbside order. They already gave me an order. $29. It's going 3.3 miles and I'm dropping 3 drop off. So I'm just waiting for them to bring it out because it's ready. The order is ready, yeah. So we're starting on on a beautiful order, $29. That's a beautiful order and it's going 3 miles. Beautiful. So let me wait for them, yeah. Let me wait for them. I think that's my order. They're bringing my order. 100%. That's my order. Let me open the trunk real quick because I know that's my order. 22.59.
22.59. Thank you.
All right, my first drop off, y'all. My first drop off. This drop off here is going upstairs on the house over there, based on what she wrote in her I don't know, I can't talk, in her notes. So this is gonna take me 3 trips, y'all. 3 trips upstairs and downstairs. Because of this is 1 trip, this is another trip, and this is 1 trip. Yo, I'm tired. Second drop off, yeah. Last drop off. $20, you guys, going 6 miles, and I'm dropping 3 drops. They already loaded in my car, so right now I'm on my way on my first drop off, you guys. Second order of the day, and I'm going 6 miles. 6 minutes for my first drop off. So let's go. We're here to drop second drop off, yeah. Second drop off. Shopping order, $16 going 4 miles. And I'm only shopping for 4 items, you guys. 4 items. Someone's going to be busy today. I am here chilling, you guys, and I had to just give me another offer. $28 a shopping order, and it's going 8 miles. And I'm going to shop 17 items, so that's very good. $27 for 17 items. That's very good. So let's go shopping, you guys. Let's go shopping. Yo, I'm getting 12 of these waters. 12. So let me make room for all this stuff here, because it's about to be packed. $15, you guys. I'm going to shop. It's a shopping order, only 1 items, and it's going 4 miles. So let's go grab this 1 items and go deliver it. It's the 1 item that I have. So let's go at checkout and check out this item. grabbed the item, and right now, you guys, I am going back. Let's go back. So right now, I'm in the middle of two Walmarts, y'all. So you know what? Let me go to my main Walmart. But I am much closer to my old Walmart. So you know what? Let me just take myself to where I came from. Let me go back to my other Walmart. So there is South Walmart and there is North Walmart. So I'm going to South Walmart. $19, you guys, going 1 mile, and I had to shop for 8 items. 8 items only, y'all. So right now I'm heading out. I am heading outside. We go. As I just received another order, it was $24, if I'm not mistaken. And I had to shop for 17 items. And I'm heading out right now because I already shopped everything. So it's time to go delivery. Time to go delivery. So it's getting worse, y'all. It's getting colder and colder. So let's put this in a car. Yo, I have a shopping order, but before this order, I had 2 more shopping orders that I did. This one and this one. So I was on the phone, so I couldn't vlog back. So right now I have another order, yo. It's $19. I'm going to shop for 13 items, and yo, it's been so busy. It's been so busy. Right now it's 5:40, you guys. 5:40. I just had another order, you guys. $18. $18 going 4 miles with a shopping order. They have been giving us shopping order almost the whole entire day. Before this one, I think I took like 2 more orders. I didn't vlog. I feel like I am bored. You guys keep bringing shopping. I don't know, but I'm sorry if I bored you guys, you know. But I think this is going to be my last one. This is going to be my last order, I think, because it's super busy. So what I was thinking, never mind, let me not say it. You're gonna judge. You're not gonna listen, but you're going to judge if I say this one. So let me go shop this order. Let me go shop. But it's super busy. Ooh, you are lucky you have the last one. Have the last one. Yo, tell me, how was your Thursday? Because mine was super busy. I couldn't even keep it up with the recording, y'all, because yo, it was super busy. orders, shopping orders was coming back to back. I'm like, I'm not gonna keep showing me shopping all the time. I'm like, okay, let me just pause and work. You guys, it was super busy. Comment down below, how was your Thursday? Like, was it busy? People are getting ready for this Christmas, and in the store it was packed, y'all. I'm glad Spark people has their own place to go check out, because if we didn't, nobody would do shopping orders. Because today Walmart was full of people, you guys. It was packed. When I say it was packed, especially when it's time to check out. People, like, there is a whole big line of people waiting for the to go check out. I was like, I am glad we have our own place to go. You know, you just go, shop, finish, go at our place and check out and go. You see how easy it is, y'all? Super easy. Anyway, I am tired. I am ready to go home. I mean, I am ready to go inside my house because I'm outside of my house. I am outside of my house right now, like sitting in a parking lot. Yo, I'm tired. And guess how much we made, y'all? $247. $247. I just decided to go home because it's time to go, but it was like orders was coming like this. I wish today was Friday, because y'all know Friday I stay a little over because it's Friday. Kids don't they don't go to school, but Thursday I can't stay, y'all. I gotta go home, go get ready for the kids to go to school tomorrow. So I wish tomorrow is going to be like this. Tomorrow, I'm staying, y'all. I'm staying to 9. I'm staying to 8. Y'all know now, right now, I'm used to driving at night. Like, I'm used to. So, the more you drive, y'all, the more you drive at night, the more you get used to it. Right now, sure, I am used to it. I am used to it, you guys. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is me, y'all. Sometimes I feel like if I keep showing stuff or like same stuff over and over again, I feel like you get bored, you know? Like, I don't know. Tell me. Like for example, the whole day was shopping orders, so I couldn't keep showing me shopping all the time. So I feel like you get bored over it. So let me know down below, y'all. Let me know what down below if I should just keep recording or calm down, you know. Anyway, I love you guys. See you tomorrow.